Astra theme review. So guys, in this video I'm going to review the best WordPress theme, Astra theme. I'm going to explain you everything, and I would also explain you all the settings inside the Astra theme. So guys, let's get started. And guys, before I begin, I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to build an online brand. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So guys, as you could see, this is my fresh new WordPress install. So this is a demo website and this is how it looks right now. There's no theme install. So this is the basic theme which comes with WordPress when you install it. And currently guys, I'm using Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. They give you a free domain, free SSL, and just for you guys I have a 20% discount. Check it out, and they have a 30-day money back guarantee. Trust me, worth it. It's faster, it makes your website faster. So now this is my WordPress website. All I have to do is appearance themes. I'll install the Astra theme so someone who's really new can also understand. So all you have to do is click on themes and then just go on add new theme and just type Astra and enter, and then just activate. So once this is activated, all you have to do is click on Astra options. So now my Astra theme's over here, and I would show you why it is the best theme. So right out of the box, it looks like a blogging website. You can see a box right hand widget, but the best thing is when you come in appearance, Astra options, activate importer plugin. So once this is activated guys, the best thing is you can choose the page builder. I always suggest Elementor. And then once you are done with that, the best thing is, again, you have a lot of templates which you could use. So any of the templates. So currently right now, agency means you have to buy the add-on. So if you go on my website right now, I have a 20% discount if you buy Astra theme. So if I go on Astra, so if you just go on my resources, so on my website as well guys, I use Astra theme. So again, Astra theme, you get 20% off. So currently right now, how much is it? So now it's a deal going on, so you'll get more benefits, pricing. So now it says 47 for one website. I took the mini agency bundle, I believe, or the lifetime one. Yeah, so I've got all the access. So once I install this thing, so let's say I just customize. So I don't even want to, first I'll just show you what are the settings over here. So if I just click on customize right now, so just without, it's a free theme right now. So see, as you could see, there are more options, but then the basic things that you can change the typography of the website. You can click over here and change the logo. Just click on this pencil icon and then you can change the logo. You can remove the widgets, all the basic things. But the best thing I told you is the templates. So appearance starter templates, you can install any of these templates. So if I just click over here, or import complete site, so I'm going to import all the things over here and just, okay, so it's imported. If I go on view site, I just do this, delete all the things and then import. So now till the time it's loading, I'll show you my website guys. So I use my Astra theme, and the best thing is you can use a lot of settings. So let's say if you see my resources, so if I just click over here, I've edit page. So this looks cool. So this is by one of the headings by Elementor. So my suggested resources, then it changes automatically. Looks good. The best thing is, so let's say I'm editing my page right now. So as you could see over here, page attributes, you can use Elementor, canvas, full width. So Astra theme settings, the best thing is over here, if you don't want to show sidebar, so I'm not showing sidebar over here. Full width, it's full width. Everything showing over here. Disable title, I don't want to show resources on top. So all the settings are over here. So guys, it's really good. So let's go back to our video. So now it's imported, view site. So guys, right out of the box, once I imported it, it looks really cool. So as you could see, within seconds you have a professional website. So I would highly suggest take the Astra theme, and it will serve all the purpose. Just buy this one theme and you can make a lot of things. You can make e-commerce website, news website, blogging website, a lot more. 20% discount, the link is down below. And guys, that's it for today's video guys. And if you would like to learn more about how you can drive free traffic to your website, I've created a free course. The link is down below. Go and check it out. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing. Yavar Khan signing off.